Right, it's been raining for 4 days straight now. I think I could probably ski in the pond that we have right now. Goes all the way to that bus over there. Probably comes all the way over here. Goes all the way to right about there. You can see where it ends right there. It's probably about a foot deep. Tires are pretty low, but they're in the higher spot of things. 3 days straight of rain. And got a tarps and everything, trying to keep everything wet. Come around here. You can see it's so cold out there that it's putting water seeping through the thing from the condensation on the roof. It's pretty bad. Come on over here. This is 4 days of rain too. Non-stop. It's not like it started and stopped. It's pretty much all stop. It's like a lake everywhere. I'll even take you to the road. The roads are flooded. Everywhere. Watch as a car goes through the thing right there. Well, the car goes so slow. Probably because it's a chick, but whatever. Four days of rain. Look at that kid over there. See that? Guy's on crack. Well, the lawn's getting a lot of rain, a lot of water. Free water too. Oh, look right there. You can see over there. Right about there. It's like a river right there inside. Oh my God! Look at that van. Almost got washed away. Got a river in my own yard. Look at that. See that right there? It's flowing all the way right there. This is ridiculous. Look at that car over there. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. Watch as it goes through. Went for a ride last night on a street bike. Couldn't even go anywhere because so much rain. We're putting my feet down on the puddles. Kind of feels like you're skiing. Yep, 4 days of rain. It's supposed to rain till all the way till tomorrow, I think, and even maybe a little bit on Wednesday. Look at this car. Ready? Oh yeah, that guy's a gangster. It's getting so wet. Oh, that right there is a little bit ridiculous, don't you think? Maybe a little bit too slow. Maybe that chick too. She might be going a little bit too slow. Look at that right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like 2 inches deep right there, just on the concrete. And that's flat. I don't even know what's holding it up. Oh yeah, that was awesome. Oh man, it's cold. It's probably about 50 degrees right now. Oh, here goes another guy. Oh, the rain's coming in the house. Oh my god. It's raining harder. Alright. 4 days of rain. Remember this. Oh my god, it's cold.